Hello, in this video I want to show you 5 useful Google Assistant commands on ASUS ROG Phone 8 Pro. And let's start with the translate, so you can translate anything from one language to another, and your Google Assistant will also speak out loudly those translations. And it goes like this: Hey Google, translate to Polish, I ate the burger. And apparently I haven't got any volume, so this went without any noise. So let's just move to the next one. It will be on how to count calories. Hey Google, count calories in a burger.
According to Livestrong, a typical burger contains about 4 ounces of ground beef, which, according to the USDA, is 375 calories.
Okay. Next one will be on how to find your phone if you lost it somewhere in your room or in your house and you have no idea where it is. Hey Google, where are you?
Bet you can't find me.
Your phone will make a noise and it should be easy to find. Next one will be on how to call anyone from your contacts. Hey Google, call my mom. And also change mom to somebody else, preferably. And the next one will be on how to send messages, and one thing that we can do is to say what should be included in the message. Hey Google, send message to my mom, I ate the burger.
Alright, what's your mother's name?
And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.